You are going to love the 2019 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, 8-way power driver's seat, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.